how to add or send spoiler tags or spoiler text on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go out and show the steps on how you can easily add or send spoiler text on Discord. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go out and show. To do so, first you can open up Discord, and once you open up Discord, you want to head over to the server that you wish to send the text to. You can see here I've sent a spoiler text. Now how you can do so? Well, to send a spoiler text, all you gotta do is on your message, before typing in the message, you wanna type in this. So this to right here, and then suppose you wanna type in ZZ, and now here I'll send it this, and if I send it, it'll be sent as a spoiler text, and you'll only be able to reveal it once you tap on it. So this is how you can easily send a spoiler text on Discord. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.